You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome and hello. I'm Shell. So today's video we have a Madam Glam package. This is a PR package for Madam Glam that I'm going to go over with you guys. I'm going to do some swatches, and I'm also going to create a nice little fall nail look with the maybe one or two of the colors that's in here. Guys interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so if you're not familiar with Madam Glam, they are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21 free formula, and HEMO-free. So if you have any allergies to any of those things, this would be a perfect gel polish for you. So we have 4 colors. I'm going to take these out of the box. And this collection is actually from that house of Nourish. And if you are familiar with Madam Glam, you probably already seen these colors, but if you haven't, I'll quickly show you what I have, and we're going to swatch them. So the first color I have is Glimpse of Light. And it's this pretty, it has like a grayish, maybe a blue grayish undertone to it. It's really pretty, and it has like specks of gold and black and white in it. And then the other one is the same exact style, but it's called Aurora. And this one has more of a green undertone to it. Oh, it's really pretty. And it also has the gold, the black, and the white specks. And then I picked up the New Quest. And this one is close to that one that I just showed you, but it doesn't have any of the specs or anything in it. So really pretty. So it's a cream color. And the last one is Visionary, and this one is the base color. To me, it looks like the base color from the first one, which gives off like a grayish color. So even though this particular color is more like a pastel color, you could still get away with this during the fall season. And of course, you know, gray is always a perfect color for fall as well. So I'm just going to show you those. So I kind of picked up those two because I felt like these kind of went good together. And then these two right here went good together. So we're going to go ahead and grab some swatch sticks. I already have them labeled. Okay, so here are the colors all swatched with the top coat, and then I also went in with a matte coat at the bottom half of the nail. Hopefully you guys can tell the difference. These are really, really pretty. These two right here are quite close in color. This one has more of a green undertone. So you don't necessarily have to have both if you was interested in getting one or the other. But I bought them because I thought they were paired really good with one another. So just a quick overview of them again. And then we're going to go ahead and jump into a nail look. Okay guys, so here are my tips. I'm going to go ahead and create me a press-on set. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I come up with, keep watching and we're going to go ahead and jump into the nail look. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music and let you guys just watch. Hope you enjoy this video thus far, and if you are, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so I'm going to go in, I'm going to dust this off one more time. Now, when you're doing this method, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you are taking any of the excess powder off after you cure it under the light. So when you're applying the acrylic, you want to make sure it's saturated where you can see it's matte. If it's still shiny, you need to add more. So I did that 3 times, and I'm going to go in one more time to do the ombre, but I'm not going to add the powder to it. The acrylic, I should say. I'm just going to put it straight into the light. And then while that's curing, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the same thing to this nail. Okay guys, so this is what we're looking like so far. I'm going to go in, I'm going to apply a top coat, except for this one, I'm going to do some crystals on that, but I will go in and top coat the other ones. I don't have a Madam Glam's regular top coat. I'm all out of that, so I'm just going to use a different brand. I'm not going to say what that is because this isn't about them. This is about Madam Glam. So I'm going to do that, and then we're going to come back and we're going to do a crystal design on this one. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me down in the comments what you think of this. These came out so super cute. These colors are so pretty together. And you can definitely get away with this for a fall look as well as a spring, summer look. So, as far as the colors anyway. So, yeah, I absolutely love it. Don't forget, I do have a discount code for you guys, 35%. So, if you want to take advantage of that, make sure you check the description down below for that discount code. I should have already put it up on the screen, but just in case you miss it, always check down in the description box. So, this is the end. I want to say thank you so much to Madam Glam for reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity to once again do a review on their products. I absolutely love their gel polishes. Love it, love it, love it. So as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I catch you guys on the next video.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good loving, something that I never thought existed.